Hey there, it's the Outdoor Cousins with the mac and cheese expert here. And today we have Emma with us, and we're going to make mac and cheese with her today. Lulu and me. I'm wearing my hat today. It's Saturday morning, and I haven't had a shower yet because I got grandkids all around, so we'll see you in a minute. Okay, we're going to get ready for this. The water's not boiling yet, but Emma's going to cut the butter. And how many tablespoons was that? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need 4 tablespoons. We're getting that ready.
I want to cut the butter.
You can leave it right here until you can leave it on the paper. And we'll leave it right there. Okay, you can do something. And then we'll put this in when it's... Okay, you can go ahead and open the box, and then we'll get that ready. But don't touch the hot water.
I'm gonna pour it in.
Okay, just get it ready. So, Lou, you made mac and cheese, and now Emma's gonna do it today.
Yeah, and me.
Yes. So,
I think Gray wants to eat some mac and cheese. She will.
Yeah.
I can't.
Can you get it open?
I can.
Well, maybe Emma can help you.
I got it.
Okay.
Starting to get open.
It's coming open?
Yeah. Is it?
Yes.
Oh, hello.
So what's in that box?
Cheese. Mac and cheese. Mac and
Cheese?
cheese.
What else?
The another cheese.
The pasta?
Yeah, pasta.
Yeah.
Okay. One to side.
They like to take my earrings out and in. Is it in there? Yeah. Okay. You getting it open and getting it ready?
I want to get my nails peeled.
Oh, I know. You will.
Yeah, that one would be so fast. How would I do it?
Okay, it's
Yeah,
not ready yet. Right. You can go ahead and take that out and put it right here on the counter because the water's not ready yet.
And I want to pour this in.
Okay, when it's ready. Okay, Emma, that water is boiling, so you can put the pasta in. Okay, go ahead and put it in. There we go.
And I
Now,
want to do this.
Not yet. 8 minutes. We have to wait 8 minutes before this is ready, and then we're going to put all this other in. We will be back.
Oh!
Now this is hot water, Emma, so you have to be very careful. Look, this is not hot. So you can hold that and stir this very gently because you don't want the water to splash on you.
I poured it out.
Okay. Now that's good.
It was hot.
Now we'll just let that sit and boil.
We never watch the television. We always watch the television.
Okay, Emma is setting the table. They have this little table.
Yeah, and they're putting the cover on it.
Yes, the tablecloth on it.
And here, Mama.
And we're gonna set this for them to eat their lunch.
And I want to wait here. I want to wait here.
Okay, very good. Lulu, you can put the bowls on after Emma does that. Okay, here's the bowls for you 3 girls.
Yeah, I'm glad we might want some.
And what else do we need besides bowls? What else do we need?
Plates.
Well, no, just the bowls.
Okay.
But what do you need to eat with? Your fingers?
Now your spoon.
Spoons. Yes. Here's the spoons. Emma, you get 3 spoons. Okay, the little ones are way back there.
I want a little one.
Okay, you want to pick out your own spoons?
I love little mine.
There is this little one. And then
I want to do this one.
there's this one.
I want to do
too.
this one too.
Okay. Okay, let's go. You can go set these in your bowls.
I got tea for Gray.
Okay, that's nice.
Hey, I got a mini beanie. It's a mini now.
Okay, you have your table ready. Yes, and it's almost time to get the mac and cheese ready. Okay? We are outside to pick some flowers for our table for lunch.
Yeah.
So there's some over there. There's some daisies.
Okay.
Do you see those white? There's yellow and white. Yeah. Okay, let's pick.
Oh yeah, these white ones.
Let me show you. Let's do it like this. Come down here so that you get a stem on it so we can put them in a vase. See, like this. Grab it down here and break it off.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, look, and here's some more. More daisies.
Do you know what this one? No, not. Oh, gray. You broke it.
It's okay.
Like
Okay, do y'all see some other flowers you want? Do you want some of those yellow ones over there? Oh, here's some right here.
Yeah.
These are called Black-Eyed Susans. So those are a little bit gone. Now these over here look better. The Black-Eyed Susans. And guys, I'm still have laryngitis. Oh, it's okay. Look. Here, you hold these, Emma. And then I will tear these off for you because they're kind of hard to tear off. Because we could not find our scissors.
And somebody's going down.
We couldn't find our scissors this morning, so we're having to try to break these flowers off the stems.
They really easy break.
Yeah. Yeah, these are good.
Whoa, this is giant.
Yeah. Now, do you remember what kind I said these were? Black-Eyed Susans. Yeah. Because see, looks like a black eye in the middle. Okay, this is probably good for our table.
Yeah, I got a little one.
Yeah, for these flowers. Okay.
I think I can get you.
Okay. Well, let's go in and we'll go put them in a vase.
What if the bee gets on?
Oh, the bees won't come in our house. Okay,
No, on knees.
Oh, you know what? To grow.
They do?
Yes, they do. They pollinate. Hey girls, we went out and picked some flowers for our table for lunch. And I don't know if I said, but my voice is hoarse because I have laryngitis. That's good. We'll take our shoes off.
Where's my flower?
Okay, Emma, do you have your flowers? You know what? I have. Okay, we're going to put them in water. Very good, Emma. You know just what to do with
Where's
them.
mine?
Now we're going to put them all in here.
Those are so thin.
Yeah, now if this one's too long, let's take it out and break it off so it won't. So it will, we can cut it off. Yeah.
Oopsie, the stems are coming off.
Yeah, can you break it?
No.
Okay, I will.
They are.
Okay, let's put yours in. There you go. Oh, that's pretty. We'll put them all in. I think we shook them off to get the bugs off. Yeah, let's shake them off over here away from the table.
A buggy. Spider.
Do you see a bug?
Spider. Spider.
Oh, okay, I'll get it off.
That laugh.
Okay, I'll get it off.
Sunny go.
So put your flour in. Put your in, and I will set it down and get it. Okay, put your flour in.
Got it.
Okay. All right.
I got it.
Oh, you got the spider?
Yeah.
Okay, let's throw it
Oh.
outside.
Oh.
It's okay, they won't.
Give me.
Okay, now we will kind of set these over away from our dishes because
I got it.
they have stuff falling off of them.
Got it.
So we will scoop them
Stop.
over.
Has to live. I'm gonna go put it outside so it can live.
Okay, Emma, you're melting the butter in there? Yep, good. And then we can go ahead and put the milk in.
But Lulu's not doing this, I can.
Yeah, that's okay. She's already helped me with mac and cheese, so you can go ahead and finish since she's So is the butter melted?
I was going to let the spider go. Emma, let's
Okay,
get
Lou.
off of my
Lou, it's okay. You can put the cheese in. Here. Let Emma stir it up.
I got the spider for you so we can. So
Oh, you have the
hold it.
spider in your hand?
Yeah.
Okay, we don't want it to go in our mac and cheese.
Okay. I don't want to.
Oh, it's cute.
I know.
Here,
It's cute.
let's see what it looks like.
It's so tiny, and it looks
Yeah.
like a tiny bitty one, and I think it's a mommy one.
Oh, you think
it's a baby one.
a baby one?
Yeah. I always put the milk in.
Okay,
I'm gonna let it go right here.
on my counter?
No, on this.
On the box?
Yeah. On the
Okay.
box. I think it won't fall
Okay,
off.
Emma, we'll let Lou put the cheese in.
Okay. And then you can put.
Keep it in the pan.
Here you go. Mommy, here you go. Oopsie daisy. I want to mix.
You can mix a little. How do you ask?
Please.
Okay, so you would say, can I mix some, please?
Can I make some, please,
Okay,
Emma?
Emma, you do it just about a few more seconds, and
Then
then
I
we'll
can
let Lulu.
Emma. I need you. Hi.
Emma, don't taste it. It's
I
really.
want you now.
Okay, we'll let Emma
Not so yet.
hold it right here. This is not
Okay,
hot.
I want you.
We'll let her do it. There you go.
I know. I'm more easy than that because I can mix it more easy. And make it not.
Oh no, you have to drink something. Now, is mac and cheese one of your favorite?
Because it's so yummy and so soft. In it.
Because of the cheese?
Yeah.
Do you like the pasta in it?
Yeah.
The cheese? Do you like the butter?
I'm more
And
better than
milk.
that.
Yes.
I'm more better than that. Oh, I make butter at my school. I taste it.
Oh.
And it tastes so good.
Oh, how'd you make it?
So we put like whipped cream in it, and it was white. And then we put it in the bucket and then shaked it with a lid on it. Shake, shake.
Yeah.
So hard. But keep shaking, and then put it down and let another friend do it.
Right.
Hey, I tested those in accident.
Oh, okay. Okay, it looks like it's ready.
Yeah.
So we're gonna
and
turn.
I'm the better to get the some cold water. I've got cold water.
Okay, Emma is going to dish it out.
Yeah, and
Like Lou did the other day.
cold water.
Okay, you know what? You have your Gatorade there.
But I want cold water.
Okay, well there's cups in the cabinet. Look right there. Let me show you.
In the cabinet.
I put cups right down here so that you could reach a cup to get your water.
Okay.
So you can get your water.
Emma, Mommy got some new cups to drink. I know.
Thank you, Emma, for dishing this out. Let's put the spinner.
If you want some more, there's still more.
Yeah,
Just a little bit.
there's a little bit more left. Okay, thank
I
you.
want to eat Gray Grays too.
Well, no, Gregory's coming. She's coming.
But I'm getting cold water.
Okay.
Thank you.
Lulu, you can say thank you, God, for her food.
Thank you, God, for our food. Thank you for Monty feeling better. Amen.
Okay.
I want to do a prayer.
Okay, go ahead.
God is great. Do that. God is great. Thank you for Monty feeling better. Thank you for letting us stay alive.
Amen.
Amen.
Okay.
God, you want to see and stay alive.
Your table looks so pretty.
Yeah, thank you,
Oh, we have
guys.
to put the flowers in front of it.
And turn around, Mommy. Mommy's hot.
Oh, is it a little hot?
It's a little hot to me, by the way.
Can you give me a napkin so I can wipe my face and cool off?
Yes. Is it? Oh, here, I'll turn the fan on. Okay. So, Grayley,
Fan is on.
do you like it, Grayley?
I can't feel the
Well,
air.
if you wait a minute, have to give me time.
Can you give me ice, please?
I think you'll be okay.
No, give me some ice.
Now, why did you want ice?
This flower's because it was hot. This flower's on the floor. And I put it back. Oh. On the
How is it, Gregory?
Good. It's hot.
How's yours, Emma?
The flower on the floor.
Oh, that's okay. All right, we'll tell everybody bye.
Bye.
Say thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Oh, we need a bell. A bell.
Oh, yeah.
Give us a big thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. Click that subscribe button. Code notification. Good. Two big buns. Bye. Turn around. Turn around.